Understanding the difference between toxicity and hazard in pest control is crucial for keeping your home safe and pest-free without freaking out about the chemicals. So, here's the deal. Toxicity is basically how poisonous a product is, and that's fixed. It doesn't change. Products used in pest control are toxic because they have to kill pests, but not all toxicity levels are the same. There's this thing called LD50, which means the lethal dose that kills half of a test group, measured per body weight. A higher LD50 means it's less toxic. So if a product has an LD50 of 100, it takes 100 milligrams per kilogram of body weight to be deadly to 50% of the test subjects. Since humans weigh way more than ants or pests, it would take a massive amount to harm a person under normal use. That said, if you've got respiratory issues or chemical sensitivities, you still want to be cautious. Now, hazard is different. It's about how the product is used and can totally be controlled. For example, applying pesticides carefully and only where needed means less product and less risk. Think of toxicity like calories in bread. You can't change it, but you can control how much bread you eat. So the key is using pesticides smartly to avoid unnecessary exposure but still get rid of bugs effectively. I've been in pest control for over 20 years and never got sick from the products because proper use really matters. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pest control products is not understanding the difference between toxicity and hazard, which leads to overusing chemicals and risking health problems. The fix is to always follow label directions and use the smallest amount necessary for your situation. Another common issue is applying pesticides indoors without proper ventilation, which can cause respiratory irritation. Opening windows and using fans helps keep air moving. Lastly, some folks forget to protect themselves by wearing gloves or masks during application. Simple protective gear can prevent skin irritation or inhaling chemicals. By knowing these pitfalls and following safe application tips, you can keep your home pest-free without unnecessary risks. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and keep things safe during pest control or any home project. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people needing work, making it a win-win for everyone trying to get things done right.